AGS-TECH stands as a frontrunner in the competitive world of plastic injection molding. Please visit our website, www.agstech.net. We specialize in transforming plastic resin into a wide array of products. Our team possesses deep expertise in this manufacturing process. We are committed to delivering high-quality molded components to our diverse clientele. At AGS-TECH, we take pride in our state-of-the-art facility. Our facility is outfitted with cutting-edge injection molding equipment. This allows us to undertake projects of all sizes and complexities. Our commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements ensures that we consistently deliver exceptional results. We aim to exceed the expectations of our valued customers. AGS-TECH works with a wide range of plastic materials. These materials are carefully chosen for their unique properties and applications. One commonly used plastic is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, known as ABS. ABS is known for its impact resistance, making it ideal for durable products. Another versatile material is polypropylene, or PP, favored for its flexibility and resistance to chemicals. Beyond these, AGS-TECH utilizes various other plastics. These include nylon, known for its strength, and polycarbonate, known for its transparency. This wide array of materials allows us to cater to a diverse range of manufacturing needs. We can meet the specific requirements of various industries and applications. Plastic injection molding is a versatile process that has revolutionized the manufacturing industry. It is suitable for manufacturing a wide range of parts and products from simple to complex shapes. However, it is particularly well suited for high-volume production runs where thousands or even millions of identical parts are needed. The process becomes increasingly cost-effective as the quantity of parts increases, making it a preferred choice for mass production. This is due to the ability to spread the cost of mold fabrication over a larger number of units, reducing the per-unit cost significantly. Furthermore, plastic injection molding excels in creating parts with intricate designs and precise specifications. It can produce parts with complex geometries and fine details, which are often difficult to achieve with other manufacturing methods. This makes it an ideal choice for components used in industries such as electronics, automotive, and medical devices, where precision and reliability are crucial. The process is also highly repeatable, ensuring consistency and accuracy across large production runs, which is essential for maintaining high-quality standards. Section 4. Precision and accuracy, tolerances in plastic injection molding. AGS-TECH is committed to delivering high-precision parts. Our team of experts ensures that every part meets the stringent quality standards set by the industry. We understand that tolerances are critical in many applications, from automotive to medical devices, where precision is paramount. Our advanced injection molding equipment and rigorous quality control processes allow us to achieve tight tolerances. This is essential for ensuring the reliability and functionality of the final product. This ensures that the molded parts meet the exact specifications required, providing consistency and dependability in every batch. The achievable tolerances can vary depending on several factors, including the intricacy of the part design and the type of plastic material used. These factors include the complexity of the part design, the selected plastic material, and the specific molding parameters used. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in determining the final tolerance levels. However, as a general guideline, AGS-TECH can consistently achieve tolerances within plus or minus 0.005 inches. This level of precision is suitable for most standard applications. For more demanding applications, even tighter tolerances can be achieved through specialized tooling and process optimization. This ensures that even the most challenging requirements are met with precision and reliability. Section 5. Achieving superior surface finishes. A look at AGS-TECH's capabilities. In addition to dimensional accuracy, AGS-TECH recognizes the importance of surface finish. The quality of the surface finish can significantly affect the performance and appeal of the final product. The surface finish of a molded part can impact its functionality, aesthetics, and durability. A well-finished part not only looks good but also performs better in its intended application. We offer a range of surface finish options to meet the specific requirements of our customers. Whether you need a high-gloss finish for a sleek look or a textured surface for better grip, we have you covered. From smooth, high-gloss finishes to textured or matte surfaces, AGS-TECH can achieve the desired look and feel. Our advanced techniques ensure that each part meets the highest standards. We work closely with our clients to understand their needs and recommend the most appropriate surface finish for their application. This collaborative approach ensures that the final product exceeds expectations. Our expertise in mold design and process control allows us to create parts with exceptional surface quality. We use state-of-the-art technology to ensure precision and consistency in every batch. For more information on AGS-TECH's plastic injection molding capabilities, please visit our website www.agstech.net. Discover how we can help you achieve superior surface finishes for your products.